Hey, good morning, Grammar 4. Today we're going to be working on finding the least common multiple of two numbers, and this is a pretty important skill that you're going to use when working on reducing decimal or reducing fractions, and just working with fractions in general. So you should have done your facts practice, which was 30% to write as fractions. Hopefully you guys are doing those pretty quickly. Being able to convert fraction or percents to fractions is a pretty important skill. And if you have any questions about that, please make sure you ask. Yeah, and let's see, make sure you did your mental math, your problem solving warm up, and let's dive into LCM. So least common multiple. First off, multiples are two numbers that share the same factor. So if you look at the multiples of 4, really what we're looking at are any number times 4 to get a product. So 4 times 2 is 4, 8 times or 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 3 is, or 4 is 16. Sorry guys, it's getting late here and my mind is I'm not able to do multiplication right now apparently. But then if you look down at the multiples of 6, you're going to see all the factors of 6. And so what we're looking for here is when we're looking at two numbers, when do those two numbers line up and where do they share a common multiple? So here we listed the multiples of 4 and 6. And we notice that the first multiple that they share is 12. So what that means is the smallest number that is a multiple of both 4 and 6 is 12. We call this the least common multiple, or LCM, which is something you'll see for a very long time. So let's go ahead and practice this. It says find the least common multiple, or LCM, of 6 and 8. And what you're going to do is you're going to list the multiples of 6. You have them listed out here. You list the multiples of 8, list them out there, and then you find the number that is the least common, or the smallest pair that they match. So 24 is the first number that they share, and that's your LCM. So go ahead and do the lesson practice, and then do your mix practice, and enjoy your weekend. That may be the shortest video I make all week long. Ta-da! All right, guys, bye.